Hey yo, what is up guys? How you guys are doing? I hope everyone is having a fantastic day. Today, I'm back in the kitchen. You guys are cooking with Devin. Today we're making stew chicken. And I'm gonna take you guys along on how I do my stew chicken. So, we have some item here. I'm gonna show you guys all what I have to prepare the stew chicken. And let's hope you guys enjoy this video. First of all, we have black pepper, we have some paprika, some garlic, some chopped onions, butter, we have some coconut milk, but this here, it's optional if you want to put coconut milk or not, but I choose to put it. So we have like a half cup of coconut milk, 1 cup of water, half cup of brown sugar. We have oil, and then we have some ketchup. So guys, first of all, I'm gonna get started with the chicken. So here, I have some chicken here. What I'm gonna put inside right now, I'm gonna put some paprika inside. I'm gonna put some paprika inside, just average a little bit. Then I'm gonna put some black peppers. I'm gonna put some garlic, maybe like 1 spoon of garlic. And then I'm gonna add my onions. And what you want to do is, you want to mix up everything inside here. Oh guys, and I forget to mention, we gotta get salt too. So guys, I forget to mention, we gotta get some salt. So put like 1 tablespoon of salt inside. I'm gonna average it. Then we wanna mix up everything. Finish mix up there. And guys, what you want to do is, I finished mix up some stuff in the chicken. You probably want to let it soak in for like probably 5 to 7 minutes. So in the meanwhile, we're gonna let it soak and I'll get back to you guys. So guys, I've already let it soak for like a solid 5 to 7 minutes, and here it is. And right now I have my pot here. I'm gonna put in for like a medium heat. Like put some oil inside. So guys, I have it on a medium heat there with some oil. Right now I'm gonna add the sugar. And we're gonna stir it in until it's a golden brown. I'm gonna add some more oil inside. So guys, when it's starting to like a golden brown, I'll show you how it looks like. Then you're gonna add the chicken. So guys, as you can see right now, it's like a golden brown inside the pot. So what you want to do is, when we throw the chicken, constantly turn. So we gotta be quickly on this here, but don't get burned, it's brown sugar. Right? So I'll show you how to do it. See guys, so you have to constantly turn it so it wouldn't get stick up. And you're gonna cook for like a good 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes, then you're gonna pour the coconut milk inside and the water. Like I said, the coconut milk is optional. If you guys wanna put it or not, it's optional. Let's say you have to keep turning because the sugar would stick. But don't worry, it'll lose. So what you want to do is cover, let it cook for 2 minutes in a medium heat. Then we're gonna pour the water, and then we're gonna pour the milk. So guys, it's already been like 2 minutes. Right now, I'm gonna pour the milk inside. And I'm gonna pour the water. Then you're gonna want to start a little bit. And cover it. Cover it for like 10 minutes. So let it cook for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes you're gonna add like 1 spoon of butter inside, and you're gonna add like 2 spoons of ketchup inside. So in 10 minutes I'll pick up the back. Okay guys, so it's been almost like 10 to 12 minutes. I'm gonna take the lid off, and we are gonna add 1 spoon of butter. And we're gonna add some ketchup. Then we're gonna stir it in a little bit. And let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes. After that, you could taste and add additional salt or whatever you want to add to make it more tasty, whatever you want. But this is how you guys gonna cook with Devin. So guys, That's the finishing, it's all done. I had to add some more salt and some more paprika. And yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoy this. You can try it sometime.
And go with the roti.
And I have Jazz making some roti here to go with it. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.